Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be making a pop-up flower. Let's get started. For this, we're going to need scissors, glue, and colorful paper. Our pop-up flower that I'm creating today has a lot of square pieces and then a fold on the point part of the squares that pop up to create a little bit of a texture to it. To start, you're going to need a circle to glue your pieces onto, like a little base. Here I have a piece of copy paper I've been using. And you always want to take your circle from the corner or the edge, never right from the center of the paper, because then it's hard to use for other things. I'm going to start by rotating my paper as I'm cutting. Notice my scissors are not rotating. It is the paper that's rotating around. So I'm going to get a smooth cut versus like a bunch of jagged lines. All right, let's put that to the side. And I'm actually going to cut off these pieces so it doesn't get super crazy messy on my side area. Let's recycle these pieces. Okay. And I think I need this just to be a little smaller. So let's trim it down. Right about there. I think I like that, right? That size right there. Okay. Ooh, a little bit of a blingy spiral there. All right, so now I need a bunch of square pieces, and the colors I've selected for this, I'm going to do green, blue, and a little bit of yellow in the center. I think I like yellow in the center of my flowers because it reminds me of flowers I've seen in real life that have yellow in the center. I'm going to line up a corner or a side and cut out, let's do this right here. This will help make my paper a little more manageable. And I'll save these bigger pieces for more flowers or another activity later. All right, let's do, I've got 1, 2, 3 layers, and because I'm using thinner bulletin board paper, I can actually probably cut out up to 6 layers at a time with these scissors. Depending on your scissors, you can cut out more layers of paper at a time. These are just normal kid scissors. So let's do like this. Okay. And now I'm going to go back and cut in this direction. And I want to make a nice neat pile of all the different squares I'm making. It's going to look a little bit like a Minecraft flower. Ooh, I kind of messed up on some of these over here, but that's okay. I'm sure I'm going to find a place for them in my flower. All right, let's keep going. A little bit more of a rectangle square, but okay. This will be more than enough. I probably have way too many here. So let's save this just in case I need it for something else. Put that to the side. Now we're going to start gluing these pieces, and I glued them either with a point sticking out or 2 points. I think I did 2 points. And I did, on this flower, I just did a ring of purple, then a ring of blue, and then a center light blue one. I think I'm going to alternate light green and dark green for the outside of this flower. All right, so I'm going to do a dot of glue, and then I'm going to smear that glue. That is a very important step. Always smear your glue. And I'm actually getting excess glue on the edge of the table, and that is a good thing when you're making flowers and any project that involves glue. If you're smearing the glue off the edge of the paper and onto the surface you're working on, it means you're really going to catch that edge, and it's going to hold on nice and tight. Now, as I'm working, I am getting that little excess glue and putting a little bit on the petal that it's next to, and that's going to help them hold on to each other as well. Oh, I need light green now. Let's put this in that direction. See that little bit right there? I can pull it off, or I can just lay it down in this spot. That way it's not sticking out the top here. All right, need a little bit of that glue. There we go. And probably a little bit more over here. Okay. And see how that's popping up right there? I did not put the glue down. Let's do that again. And now you can see it's holding on to it a bit more, which is what I want. See if we can fit a light green. Looks a little funky there. Let's do a dark green. Let's do another layer around. Okay. And again, I got that little weird piece. I can just tear it off if I want. Right there. Go. And then one right here. I like this a lot. Now for a blue right in the center. Let's see if I can find my favorite. There we go. All right. Now that I have all of these layered down, I want to make sure there's no wet glue on my fingers because I'm going to start folding up these corners. Let's bring that up. There we go. Ooh, yes. Here we go. And there is the pop-up petal design for my flower. Now on this one, I also folded a little fold here on the corner. Oh, there we go. Be gentle. This paper will rip if I'm not gentle. There we go. And then I added like a little tiny square of something else. Let's see. I have a little pink left over from another flower I was making. Cut an itsy bitsy square from this one and land right in the center. Remember, smear that glue. You don't want to just do a dot and then place it down. It's going to get all wiggly and wobbly. You want to smear it. And voila, there's my pop-up flower. Yay! Ooh. Well, I cannot wait to see what you create in the art room. Until next time, keep being creative.